how to turn off videos from Facebook friends notifications on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off videos from Facebook friends notifications on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app. Now click this three lines in the top corner and then click settings. Here you will find this one, privacy, and not privacy, this one, notifications. Click on it and here you will find this one. All you need to do is just click on it, one click. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.